In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create multiple Gmail accounts without phone number verification. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Google account sign-up page. This is the official page where Google lets you create a new account. Make sure you are on a genuine Google sign-up screen before you continue, so you know you are entering your details in the right place. Once you are there, look for the option that says Create Account. Click it, and then choose For My Personal Use. This selection keeps the setup focused on a standard Gmail account for everyday use. Next, you will be asked for a first name and last name. Enter the name you want associated with this account, then click Next. After that, Google will ask for your birthday and gender. Fill in those fields carefully, because Google may use this information for account recovery and age-related settings. When you are done, click Next again. Now you will reach the part where you choose your email address. You may see a few suggested addresses based on the name you entered. You can pick one of those if you like, or you can click the option that lets you create your own Gmail address and type a custom username. If your first choice is not available, try small variations, such as adding a period or an extra word, as long as it is easy for you to remember. Then click Next. After that, you will create your password. Type a strong password, confirm it in the second box, and click Next. Use a password that is unique and difficult to guess, and keep it stored somewhere secure so you do not lose access later. At this point, a QR code will appear on the screen. You will need to scan this QR code to proceed, using the method shown in the on-screen instructions. Once the scan is complete, continue by following the prompts on the screen. Google will guide you through the remaining confirmation steps, and once everything is accepted, your new Gmail account will be ready. Repeat the same sign-up flow again anytime you need to create another account, using a different Gmail address each time. And that is all there is to it.